How to share full screen reels on Instagram story. Hello everybody, welcome back to a new video. In this video we're gonna learn how we can share full screen reels on Instagram story. So without any delay, let's start with the process on how we can do so. But before that, don't forget to hit the like, share and subscribe icon. So if you want to share the full screen reel on your Instagram story, just locate the reel that you want to share. Just head over to the search bar or go to the reel section and locate the reel that you want to share. For example, this one right here or other different kind of reels are available. You're just gonna select the reel that you want. For example, this one right here. So what I'm gonna do is simply tap on this share icon at the bottom below the comment, and what you're gonna do is copy this link of this particular reel. After that is done, I'm just gonna close this app and you're just gonna head over to Google Play Store. After going there, you'll be finding this application called Repost for IG, Post and Story. Just search for this application and download it. After that is downloaded, just open the application and then it automatically detects the reel that I just copied. I'm just gonna tap on it and I can find this option called Add to Story. I'm just gonna tap on this Add to Story and it will redirect us to the Instagram application on our device, and it will go to the story section and automatically switch the video. And you can see I have a full screen reel on my screen right now, so I'm just gonna simply tap on this your story option and then there you go, you can see a full screen reel on my story successfully. So you may also follow the same process in order to add a full screen reel on Instagram story as well. So I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.